Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JIT Resolution, and this is your host. In this video, I will show you how you can set your PC to best performance. After setting your PC to best performance, your system speed will be highly improved. So without wasting time, let's get started. Right click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Now click on System. Scroll down here. Now click on About. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Now select Advanced tab. Under Performance Setting, click on Settings. Now select Adjust for Best Performance. Now click on Apply. Now click on OK. Then again click on OK and close this window. Now restart your computer. After this setting, your system speed will be highly improved. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.